Hello everyone, this is a quick video for me to tell you how you can integrate Godot and Steam services. For example, you want to add game achievements to your game, you want to add certain other things like the cloud saves and other things. Now, there are many services that can do this because you need an extra service since Godot is just a game engine and it basically creates games, but it doesn't necessarily want to integrate the game into Steam. So you need an extra service to connect Steam and Godot. There are a few services and a few extra things that you can add to your game, some plugins and so on. But in my experience, they always gave me some pretty bad errors and I could never figure them out well because they just didn't work basically, and there was no documentation. So this is not a tutorial that will give you like, do you need this line to do this, you need that line to do this, because it will just point you towards the right direction so that you can make whatever you want in your game, and since the code will heavily depend on your game and how you want to structure it and how you want to make it. So just search godotsteam on Google and you will find it. It's the first result. And here the most common use is to go on the asset tab on the Godot and download godotsteam from there. Now I recommend you to avoid this, like don't do it. I did it a couple of times with different versions and it always gave me some error. I just couldn't make it work, and so my big suggestion is to just go down here, single player or Steam networking here. This should work too, but here, and you just download the precompiled editor or templates. Now what it is, it's basically you are downloading Godot, the same that you're making your game on, just with this plugin already installed. So basically it's already in. You don't have to do anything else other than open this, download Godot, and open your project that like you always did with this new Godot. And from there you will be able to do lots of things. Now here on godotsteam there is the tutorial section. Here, for example, the achievement icons, so you want to add achievements and so on. There are many ways, use cases. There's C code, there are avatars, there are lobbies, like peer-to-peer networking. Like there are a lot of things that you are able to do, and there is a very good documentation. You can read the code and everything. Another suggestion that I have is to, I don't remember where it is, but there are some demo projects that you can see, and you will be able to find basically everything that is explained in the tutorials, just done correctly. So you will basically be able to not necessarily copy the code, but you will be able to see it in action, which is really useful. And that is everything. If you follow this correctly, you probably have the godotsteam installed right by now, because you downloaded this Godot and so on, and you will be able to do everything you want inside your game, connecting it to Steam. There are a few things that you have to do here, but yeah, I'll leave this to you. This is not too complicated. Hopefully this tutorial was pretty quick and pointed you towards the right direction, and I hope you like this. I hope you subscribe, and yeah, the usual things. I hope you make an amazing game. Please feel free to comment your game down in the comment section. I'd really love to check it out. So see you next time.